Boil water, add beans for 5 minutes. After boiling, strain the beans, add tap water, maintain the color. Water can stop cooking. Add seeds, boiling water for only 4 minutes. Cut the green chilies and green onion. Add 1 cup oil, green onion and green chilies. Put in the oil and fry it. Green onion and green chilies fry 5 minutes. Add seasoning, cumin seeds, red chili, 1 tablespoon, salt half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon added. Fry it only 5 minutes. After add the beans and fry gently. Add bean seeds. Cooked in 15 minutes. 10 minutes simmer. Add cinnamon sticks and fry. Just serve it immediately. Hot naan and chapatis. Green veg, good for health. It's good for our guts. This is very delicious dish. Enjoy it. This is good for health.